This is Penny Gardner, author of the 9-Note Recorder Method. This book is used in schools and in homes by people of all ages. As you could guess from the title, this book uses only the 9 easiest notes to play on a recorder. It also uses simple rhythms. This self-standing book has a fold-out fingering chart. In case you forget your fingerings of the notes that you're learning, you can quickly glance to the side and refer to that chart. Looking at the table of contents, you can see part 1 uses 3 notes. Left hand is on the top, so we're using our left hand fingers to play B, A, G. Then part 2 we move right into E, which involves the right hand. The book continues to progress in a logical order, playing low D and then a new rhythm. Then F sharp, which is a tricky note, consolidating that with 2 more parts with new rhythms. And then there are 3 more higher notes that you would learn. There are many songs and duets and rounds to practice each of these new rhythms or notes as you progress through this book. I hope you enjoy the 9-Note Recorder book as you make music on this lovely instrument, the soprano recorder.